Oh, come on. Oh, feel it? Nope, I don't. Try it this way. Ow. I literally just had this. Right. Round 2. Sorry, cat. Not giving up. I've done it multiple times already. I am not. Stop! Come on now, you son of a biscuit. Up. I think I got it stuck. Oh, nope, there it goes. I'm gonna put the keys right there. There you go. Watch those for me, cat. Oh, I felt something. I felt something. Son of a biscuit. Okay, let's try it the other way. I think this paperclip is just getting worn out. I already used this a bunch already. Wait, hold on. Where's my bobbing pin? Why am I not using this? This is more sturdier. I hear the clicks. Oh. Oh, come on. You are going to open whether you like it or not. You son of a biscuit. I'd literally done this not too long ago. It's the paperclip. It's getting so warped. Thing is, I already have a video of me opening this with the rake, but it took a long while, but this is taking... Oh. Never give up. Whoop. Oh, crap. Got my bobby pin. Oh, come on. Oh. There we go. Just took a minute and 40 seconds.